Hi, this is Cooking with Kids. My name's Ben, and today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry pie with our fresh blueberries. Now I'm going to start with the crust. As you can see, I've already added 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of shortening, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now I'm just going to mix this all together. You want to have little balls with the shortening. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cold water, except I'm only going to do a little bit at a time so I can just mix it around while it goes. Now I'm going to put some flour around. Now I'm going to get this dough into a ball, and then I will put it onto this platform. Now I divided it into 2 balls, one for the topping and one for the bottom crust. And now I'm going to put it on the pastry platform. I'm going to take this and just flip it over and then roll it with the rolling pin. You go halfway. I'm going to put the pan over it to see if it's big enough. Now I'm going to take half of it and fold it in half right here. And now I'm going to put it halfway in the pan. Now I'm going to pull it over. Now I'm going to leave it this way, ready for the blueberries. I'm going to add 4 cups of fresh blueberries. You can do frozen if you want to. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a dash of nutmeg. Doesn't this look delicious already? I'm just mixing them all together. Now I will pour this into the pan. First of all, I turn my oven on to 425. And now that we've done all of this, I will add a tablespoon of butter. Now I will trim the edges. Now we're going to roll out the top crust. Putting the flour down. We're doing the top now. You want to flatten it a little bit, and then take your rolling pin, go in the middle, and now I will turn it over to get flour on top. I'll press it down, and then now I'm going to flip it in half. Perfectly even. And now over and over. Just piece it together. Since there's a lot on this side, I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to brush on the egg white. The reason why we brushed the egg white on it was so that our pink sugar would stick on it, and also it makes it brown nicely. Now I will pour on the pink sugar. Now it is ready to bake in the oven for 425 for 375, and our blueberry pie is in it now. I put a tin foil over it because our pie was getting brown. Bake it to 30 to 35 minutes. This is the blueberry pie fresh out of the oven, and this is the tin foil we used to cover it for the extra 30 minutes. And here we go. Now our blueberry pie is ready to eat. That's really good. It tastes like a perfect blueberry pie.
Now our blueberry pie is done. Now we're gonna try our pie. That is good pie. I like the blueberries inside it, which you can taste.